Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today we're going to look into the Inkplate 10 e-paper display from Sorted. The Inkplate 10 is a versatile e-paper display designed for creators, developers, and tech enthusiasts looking for a reliable and energy-efficient screen solution. With its large 10.3-inch grayscale display, the Inkplate 10 is perfect for applications such as digital signage, e-book readers, home automation dashboards. This open source hardware is powered by an ESP32 microcontroller, making it highly adaptable for Internet of Things projects. Its low power consumption and Wi-Fi connectivity allow for efficient remote updates and prolonged battery operation. Whether you're building smart displays or exploring innovative projects, the Inkplate 10 provides an excellent blend of functionality, simplicity, and performance. Programming the Inkplate 10 is straightforward thanks to its ESP32 microcontroller. You can use Wi-Fi connectivity to fetch data from APIs or remote servers, making it ideal for real-time applications like stock tickers or internet dashboards. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Inkplate 10 provides a robust platform for creating innovative and interactive e-paper projects. By the way, this video is sponsored by Sorted.com. They are the trusted platform for makers, hobbyists, and professionals, offering a range of innovative and high-quality electronics products designed to empower creativity and innovation mind to connect makers. Sorted.com focuses on providing open-source hardware solutions that simplify complex projects and inspire new ideas. Their products are designed with ease of use in mind, backed by comprehensive documentation and excellent customer support. Here in hand is the Inkplate 10 e-paper display, having a length of 8.6 inches and a height of 6 inches. By using a PCB board which I was having and a little bit of force, I pricked from the side of the Inkplate, and thus revealing the goodly e-paper display from the case. Covered by the display we have the LiPo battery. That's everything which was fixed on the 3D printed enclosure. We can download and 3D print enclosures for the Inkplate 10 from GitHub. They have chosen the purple color PCB, which is there in most of their boards and thus a color branding. The ESP32 Rover is the heart of the Inkplate 10 series. This microcontroller have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and acts as a transceiver module, which works on 2.4 to 2.5 GHz. The data rate is 150 MB, the memory size of 16 MB flash and 8 MB SRAM. It works under 2.3 volts to 3.6 volts, operates in -40 to 85 degree. On the sides they have highlighted the GPIO pins. For the interface, this board have Type-C connectivity. Alongside it have SD card holder and SMD power switch. The wake up button is used to turn on the device from deep sleep modes. This is a 16-pin USB Type-C port. There is a beautiful looking branding of Sorted on the board. The ST-SMB LiPo connector stands out of the PCB which is used to power the board. The LiPo battery provided is 3.7 volts. To raise the board from the 3D printed case, there is a standoff having an M4 size screw hole. To stay awake for the RTC module, they have provided a CR2302 battery holder. This is the Easy C connector, which we have mentioned. The high contrast ratio of e-paper provides excellent legibility. The ribbon cable of the display is slightly folded up back to the board for neat looks. Well, that's the Inkplate 10 from hardware side. To program the board, head over to Arduino software. Under the board space, paste the link which I will provide from the video description. Then search for Inkplate on Boards Manager and install the boards. Here I have already installed 8.1.0 version as of making the video from the Inkplate example programs they have given. For testing, I am choosing the Game of Life code, but there are so many other cool ones. We'll see about those later. This is the code. Before uploading it, we need to make some tweaks. Not crucial, but kind of an option, that's all. You can change the refresh time of the display here by changing the value. Then heading downline the code, if you need to change the intensity of particles appear on the screen, the values here can be changed accordingly. Choose between 2 to 22 to get the best possible results. After that, go to Tools, select the board name from Inkplate series as Sorted Inkplate 10 from the list of other boards. And don't get confused with eradionica.com Inkplate. Once it was done, upload the code to the board after choosing the right COM port. And that's the Inkplate 10 board from Sorted, which is a remarkable piece of technology that empowers creators to innovate with ease. Its energy-efficient design, seamless integration options, and versatility make it an invaluable tool for a wide range of projects. A heartfelt thanks to Sorted.com for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reliable e-paper display to elevate your projects, the Inkplate 10 is a perfect choice. Well, that's being said, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.